Hey everyone, welcome back to new video. So let's discuss about how to manage the quality checks in delivery orders. In Odoo, you can perform quality checks on delivery orders using the quality control module. This module allows you to define the quality control points and test to ensure that the delivered products meet the required quality standards. It is very important to ensure the quality of the product during the delivery. If we deliver the wrong or defective product to the customers, this could drive them for a negative impact in the business. So let's see how to manage quality checking in delivery orders. For that, first we need to get into the quality module. And under quality module, we have to manage the quality control points. So here we have control points. So once you get into this window, you would be able to see the quality control points that is already configured in Odoo. And this shows the details of reference, title, product, operations, control per and the type that is used, the team associated with the quality control points as well as the company also. Now let's see how can we create a new quality control point. So let's click on new button. This will direct into a new window, and here you can give the title of quality control point. So here let's check or give the title as quality check. And here you can choose a product. Either we can choose single product or multiple product. If you're keeping this field as null, then you could use this for any of the product, and you can apply the quality check for particular category also. So let me choose the product as storage box. So let's consider a scenario where a customer is placing order for storage box. So while delivering the storage box, we have to ensure that the product is qualified to make the delivery. And here you can also choose the category, and we have to set the operations. We know that there are different operations like receipts, delivery orders, return, manufacturing, POS and all. But now we are going to perform the quality check in delivery order operation. So during the delivery of the product, we need to ensure that the product has a standard quality to deliver the product. So let me set the operation. If you want to set multiple operations, you can set that. And here you can also see the company, that is my company San Francisco. As this works under my company San Francisco, the company name will be automatically configured in the company field. And you can also set control per products or operations or delivery order. So let me set the control per as product, and here you can also set the control frequency. So you can all time do the control frequencies or randomly check the quality controls, or you can periodically check. So let me set it as all, and we can choose different types of quality control points. It can be instructions, take a picture, pass or fail, or measure. So let me set it as pass or fail, and let me choose one of the team. So here we can see the team. So if you want to create a new team, you can just go to the configuration, and this would let you to create a new team. Or you can directly create a new team from here also. So currently I'm using the existing team, and you can also set a responsible person for this. So let me choose the responsible person as Michelle Admin, and under the instruction you can give the instruction of the quality check. So you can describe the quality check of the product. So let me give it as, if the package is broken, kindly return the product. Okay, and you can also give the message if failure. So you can also give it as sorry for inconvenience. Okay, and if you want to give more notes regarding this quality control point, you can give more notes describing describing the quality. And let me save this. Okay, so currently I'm going to perform the type of quality as pass or fail. Okay, we can also set the type as instructions or take a picture or measure. So we have already discussed how to manage the quality control points as well as quality for different operations in one of the video that we have already published. So I will be giving that link in the I button. So if you have any doubts regarding the quality module, you can watch that video. Okay, now let me save this and let's back to the sales module. And we are going to deliver the product to the customer. So you can choose the customer in the customer field, and we need to choose a product that is storage box because we have restricted the quality control point for a particular product. So I'm going to, the customer is demanding for 5 product. So you can set that quantity, and here you can see the unit price and all other details over here. And let me save this quotation, and you need to confirm the order. So once you confirm the sale order, you can see now the next step is to deliver the product. So we have set the quality control during the time of delivery. So once you try to deliver the product, first we need to ensure that the product has a standard quality. Then only we can make the delivery. So click on quality checks, and if this product is passed, you can has passed the quality, you can just click on pass. If it's fail, you can click on fail, or if you want to process with the next step, you can just click on next. So let me give it as pass and give the additional note as has standard quality. And let me click on pass. So this product will be passing. And you can see as we have given the message here, we have given under the description, like if the product is broken, we can return the product. So here you can also set that. And let me save this. So currently the product is passed with its quality, and when you go to the quality check, you will be able to see the product is currently passed all the steps, and you can proceed with your order. So in order to complete the delivery, you can just click on the validate button, and you need to apply the quantities that need to deliver, and just click on SMS confirmation so that the customer will be receiving an SMS before the delivery of the product. And you can see the customer has demanded for 5 quantity, and we will be delivering 5 quantity of the product, and we have completed the delivery. So under the valuation, you will be able to find the product with its date, reference, and product name, and the company, and the quantity that has moved with the unit value and the total value. Now let's make an invoice for this. So you can just click on create invoice. So this would let you to create invoice with different options such as regular invoice, down payment, or down payment in fixed amount. So let me choose the invoice in regular invoice, and let's create and view the invoice. And in order to make the payment, you can just confirm this, and let's click on register payment so that we could complete the payment. And after reconciliation, the payment will be moving to the bank. So that's all about setting quality checks during the delivery operation. Hope this concept is clear for you. Thank you for watching.